Hello, first graders, and welcome to another lesson of meeting characters and learning lessons. Let's review all the things we've learned so far about meeting characters along the way. Can you help me fill in the blanks for these anchor charts? Learn about the blank. That's right, character. Pay attention to blank too. You got it, other characters. Blank to learn more about the characters. All right, reread to learn more about the characters. Bring the character to blank. That's right, life. Bring the character to life. Notice when feelings blank, then change your blank. Good job. Notice when feelings change, then change your voice. Today, I want to remind you that readers reread to see new details and to learn more about the characters, but they also reread to make their voices sound smoother. You can reread to smooth out bumpy parts and to show the big feelings in each part. Rereading can help you perform your books. Let's reread the last chapter of Mr. Putter and Tabby Drop the Ball. Chapter 5, What a Day. What a day. Another batter came up. Swing and a miss, swing and a miss, swing and a ground ball to third. Mr. Putter couldn't watch. Glomp. Zeke got the ball and ran in circles. The other team scored again. The Yankee Doodle Dandies were not happy. They benched Zeke. Stay, they said. No way, thought Mr. Putter. The score was tied 2-2. The other team scored again. The Dandies would lose. A batter came up, swing and a miss, swing and a miss, swing and hit a swing and a hit to the outfield. All right, guys, how did I do? Yeah, I agree. That probably wasn't the smoothest. So this time I'm going to smooth out the bumpy parts and show big feeling. Mr. Putter leaped into action. He ran for the ball. It was rolling, rolling. He had to bend down to get the ball. Mr. Putter tried to bend down, but his knees said, no way. The Dandies were about to lose. But then, glomp, Zeke got the ball. Zeke looked at Mr. Putter. Mr. Putter looked at Zeke. Then Zeke jumped. He jumped and he put the ball right into Mr. Putter's mitt. Then Mr. Putter threw that ball to home. And because the batter was 100 years old, he hadn't got there yet. And the Dandies got him out. Hooray! The game ended in a tie. The Dandies carried Zeke on their shoulders and gave Tabby a ride in the peanut box. What a day, Mr. Putter and Tabby and Mrs. T-Berry and Zeke ate 10 free bags of peanuts and drank 3 gallons of water. Then they all found a nice spot in the dugout and took a long nap. Zeke's feet twitched a lot, but he couldn't help it. He was still in the game. Mr. Putter, outfield. Tabby, bench warmer. Mrs. T-Berry, shortstop. Zeke, first base, second base, third base, outfield, catcher, and mascot. All right, now try this strategy with one of your own books. Remember to smooth out your voice and do your best reading. After you finish reading your book, reread to smooth out the bumpy parts and show the big feelings. For a challenge, record yourself reading and send it to your teacher. All right, readers, off you go.